Spirituality, as the word, many of us feel that it is something which is associated with renunciation, which is giving up of our materialistic things. So it's a idea or it's a belief that there is something and we have to attain that, and that most often is understood as spirituality. But then if we closely look, is that what is spirituality actually means? Spirituality, I think, is about knowing the truth. When we don't know anything and we are trying to know something, then I think we are being spiritual. Most of us don't know as to who we actually are. When I say we don't know who we actually are, I am not saying that my name is so and so, or I am born here, I am born there. It's not like that, but basically who we are. Like, for example, if you take the fire, fire exists, it's a form of heat. We know form as a heat or which gives some light or something, but then as such we don't know what exactly the fire is. We know how to use the fire to burn something or to take heat from it or something like that, but as such we don't know what exactly the fire is. Likewise, when we say we don't know who we are, we know how to use our body, we know how to think, we eat, we drink, we think, and there are so many things. And at thought level, we think something, we have happiness, we have sadness, we have fears, and so many things are there. So, but then does it really mean that who we are? So the journey of knowing as to who we actually are can be considered to be a spiritual. There is nothing bad in trying to know about who you yourself are, but then the problem starts only when you start believing something, or when you start believing an idea, only then it is often misinterpreted. So next time if you hear the word spiritual, don't be afraid or don't misinterpret. Just think that you are trying to know the truth of it, and that's all. You can follow religion, you can follow anything which you want, or you can choose any path which you are comfortable with in trying to know the truth. Many of us think that when we are trying to be spiritual, then there is a general conception or a consensus that only when we have attained a certain higher age that we have to be spiritual, because we have associated spirituality with God or religion or something of that sort. But then you can be spiritual at a younger age also. There is nothing wrong with that, of course, when you know that what exactly you are trying to know. If you have liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for some more amazing videos, and thank you for watching.